This quick tutorial video is about how you can change the country or a region on your App Store on your iPad. Open the App Store and then go to your account by clicking this avatar icon on the top right hand side and then click your account. You will be asked to enter your password. Enter the password and sign in. And here in the account setting you will see the country or the region. You need to click that. So in order to change the country or region, you need to click this country or region. You will be presented with a list. You need to select the desired country from this list. For the sake of tutorial, I will be selecting Pakistan. You need to agree with the terms and conditions. Click agree and then click next. Here you need to give the credit card information if you want, otherwise you can click none. You can change your name and surname, give the address. I'll be feeding the imaginary address for the sake of this tutorial. You need to fill the phone number also and then click next. And your country or a region would be changed and you just need to press done. And your App Store would get refreshed and now you have successfully changed the country in your App Store on your iPad. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.